Good evening, Shingleton. You thought I was going to say morning again, didn't you? We had a long day. And I call it successful. We were able to get 3 out of the 6 things we were hoping. Now this was something from in a roundabout way from E-Bike through E-Vic through my brother's house. For those of you who don't know, it's E-Vic, not E-Bike. I heard it straight from the mans themselves. And one package we were waiting, finally tracked it down, came from KY Airsoft, the other half of another package we got back in May. And this one, well, it was supposed to be the Novritsch SSG-24. The disappointing thing is that's one of the things we couldn't get out today. But we got another M24, so we picked that up and we'll show you that. So let's get going. All right, here's the one that came from the U.S. thanks to my brother. Now, well, these 2 things, these 2 boxes already been opened. Because they wanted to take a closer look at these things. Now, can opener from Kershaw, good quality steel. It's a bottle opener, and a multi-tool with different size wrench or bolt heads, and a kniff. Did this one have a special way to open? Yeah, there we go. There's that. And this SOG. Now, I figured out how to close it. How does it open? There. Not there. Anyway, I'll pull it out that way. Now these are well, that could be called a weapon. A weapon? And somebody's gonna pull out a knife? You call that a knife? Now this is a knife. Of course, only a Crocodile Dundee if the people are gonna come running away. Get back under there. Yeah. Now, I figured out how to close this. Oh, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll waste your time. Don't want my cameraman's arms to get tired. And here I have a sling. OD, of course. Thing doesn't want to let go. Ah, there we go. Okay. Sling. Oh no, that's the Alice strap. You know, ALICE, aka Alice belt suspenders. And now we have a rifle bag. Now this, I believe, is a, no, this doesn't have a compartment in it. This is big enough for 2 rifles. Nice bag, nice heavy duty foam and stuff. You had trouble rolling it up in something this small. It's not a small box, but yeah, funny thing is down at I usually say to boys down at Customs, but at Chiang Mai Airport, Customs at the Chiang Mai Airport, they're all chicks. Well, there's one guy, but he's the gopher. He told me, stop bringing in such large boxes. So I don't have to go down there and make them work. Now, Swiss Arms, Christoph Neuwirth, aka Doveridge. You see this? This is your fault. I bought this. This is the one that the big boss man, Novrich, you see on his rifle on his videos. The Swiss Arms, 4x40. Amazon wouldn't ship it to me, so with the other stuff I ordered from Amazon, I went ahead and ordered this too. Because I went to my brother's house to get repacked. Okay, now, let's see the cameraman, whose name he doesn't want to tell, the mystery man. Wants to know just what's in this box. Most of this is for him. Lots of nice gray plastic. Says UPS on the inside, but this came by the mail. Hong Kong Post, or Speed Express, whatever you call it. Okay, now how does this look? Let's get rid of all that. Hey, all the papers came out. Oh no! Tape. Everybody uses so much tape, but that's good. At least protect stuff from open and accident. That's heavy. Is it a gun? Is it a plane? No, it's Super Boss. Okay. What we have here is, this has been so long I don't remember exactly what's in here. Oh, this is a WE. Nuts and everything, nuts and bolts and screws. A high kappa poster. What's part of it? Well, I guess it must, I don't know. I have to figure that out later, how it goes together. But we got somebody in the comments tell me just what this symbol is. It says W. Is that a WE symbol or something? I like it. I like it. I like that box. Oh, we don't have the whole thing in here. I must take it apart for me. Get it through Customs. Yeah. Instructions of how it fits together, the good old breakdown that they give you on I see something there. Now, what have we here? I'm gonna have to put some of this stuff together. This was disassembled partially to get it through. Got some roll. I don't see that, so I use this. I don't like the Tanto knife, but I just like that one I used because I liked it because it was badass looking. Makes good box openers though, because you got so many different points. See, I watched all those race commentators and different sports commentators. I know how to keep talking so there's no dead air most of the time. Oh ho ho! Do we know what this is, boys and girls? It's a piece of I already gave you a hint. And here's another piece of it. I bet you they go together like something like that. Got a hint yet? No? Let's see, what's this? This is a magazine. Now, it's WE. Gas blowback stuff in this house is WE. Almost all of it. We got a couple things. Oh man, a part of a meat tenderizer hammer. Oh no, wait a minute, I didn't order that. This is a Gazinta. It goes into that. That's the upper part of the WE High Kappa 7-inch Dragon. I got the bottom part out. You've seen that before. If you watched that other video. Now, let's see. What do we got here? I'll save that. This is lighter. I'll pick it up. It's easy to pick up. Come on now. I know you open someplace. There we go. And there we have. Oh wow! I've wanted one of these. I finally got one through. In disguise. You know, we don't mean Lucy in disguise with diamonds. Ouch. Damn it.
Oh.
Pause. Now that I've showed you how not to, well, actually showed you how to move your finger or how not to move your finger out of the way of a super sharp SOG knife, we'll continue with this. Yeah, I just had to make a hasty little eye to go, medic, medic! Of course, I had to go get it myself. I am the medic. Like what's his name said, physician heal thyself. All those years in the medical field taught me something. Okay, we got us a green dragon. I'll figure out how to use it later. BB loader. It even came with the attachment. Yay! All right. Now, if you don't like the sight of blood, you can always watch me. Oh yeah, and here's the E-A-Ming. Bigger. We needed something bigger than just the little tiny 120 BB loaders. You know, I got the known knife. It's not quite as wicked. It's cool looking though. And let me know down below if you think that one's cooler looking. That's a cool looking conifer. Even though I usually don't use Tanto. Oops. That one popped open. I think this is a 200 rounder. So, oh, I just love that sound. I garbage can getting full. That's gonna go out. And what do we got left in here? In the bag of bubbles. Oh, I see. we got the wood grips for the M45. The cameraman, what's your name? You ain't gonna say? We got the wood, real wood. See? It's real ass wood. Grips for, could you guess what that's for? It's for his WE, of course, we M45 match grade. Oh yeah, we got us the silencer adapters for the pistols. 11 millimeter for the Wii, 14 millimeter for the silencers. And they are silencers. Don't argue with me on that, boy. Oh yeah, it's more filler mag valves. I got a ton of those now. Told my friend down at Tom BB Shop if he needs any of that kind of stuff, let me know, because I've got a whole bunch of them laying around. I just went out and ordered a whole bunch of different stuff, and I forgot all the stuff I ordered, because I ordered this a long time ago. But it got lost at the, the post office. They're doing construction at the neighborhood post office, so we got 2 or 3 different post offices with the same zip code. And this is Thailand, they don't do things the same. If I'm being careful now, once bitten, twice shy. Okay, now that's empty. We got us, what the hell is this? Let me see. Some pieces to something. Okay, now, what the heck is this? Okay, screws on. This is a Gazinta. This is another Gazinta. It looks like something to do with something. Probably parts of what's in this bag that I'm holding back. And let me know if you can guess what kind of mag this is down in the comments. That sucker's heavy. That must be 3 pounds. Obviously, it's a Wii gas mag, because we only use Wii stuff. Oh, and they threw in the extra bags that stuff was in. And, oh yeah, we got us a breakdown. And we got us a manual, it's from Wii. It's got the usual advertisement and stuff, and breakdowns, and don't shoot your dog! Neighbor's dog, okay, but not you. Alright, here's the star of this package that the cameraman, aka Zone, I got this just for him. His first GBV rifle. I can tell Customs hasn't been into this one. Yeah, they got a big crackdown going on right now. And I guess the Army's paranoid about maybe a revolution or another coup or something. Because I made the airsoft shops all take down their displays and told them not to show any guns for sale. They're gonna keep them in the back rooms. Take people back there. And the people down at the customs office, they told me don't ship any more large box. They call it a large box. Any more large boxes like that one over. Only smaller boxes. Because actually, even though they act like they enjoy it, they don't like turning back all this stuff and disappointing all of this. Except for the people that get pissed off and cuss them out. Then that makes them happy. But I go in there with the tight smile. Okay. Then I dress my shirt with a collar. Okay, may I have the drum roll, please? And it ain't this easy to hide it. Ah, down, down. Okay. Now, what do we have? You figured it out yet? All right, let's take this oops out of there. It's heavy, boy. You build us some muscles to carry this thing around. And what we got here is the upper receiver and barrel assembly for a W.E. Scott H. So, that's what I was kind of teasing you guys about. Okay, so remember, like and subscribe. And this is Ron White Rook signing off.